In this video, all-new CLE53 AMG 2024. 2024 Mercedes-AMG CLE53 Coupe debuts with 6 cylinders, big power. The CLE53 two-door arrives with a 443 horsepower inline-six and aims to split the difference between the 4-cylinder C43 and C63 sedans. Less than a year after announcing the new CLE-class to replace the outgoing C-class and E-class coupes, Mercedes-AMG confirmed the arrival of an AMG CLE53. The manufacturer revealed photos of the European model, though we expect the same bodywork to make its way stateside when the CLE53 arrives. The AMG Coupe retains the turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder of the standard Benz CLE450, though power is increased to 443 horsepower. It appears that a more potent AMG version of every Mercedes-Benz model will follow it, just as every winter is followed by spring. Mercedes-AMG has revealed an AMG variation known as the CLE53, less than a year after introducing the 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE-class to replace the two-door C-class and E-class models. According to the figures, the 402 horsepower C43 sedan and the astounding 677 horsepower C63 will share the power difference with the CLE53 Coupe. The CLE keeps its 6-cylinder engine, while both of those variants are driven by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline, with different levels of hybrid help. The 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine in the CLE generates 443 horsepower, and at low engine speeds, a 48-volt hybrid system provides additional power. Mercedes claims that the powertrain can reach 60 miles per hour in 4.0 seconds and a maximum speed of 155 miles per hour, but we believe it will be surpassed considering that our testing of the less potent C43 saw it reach 60 miles per hour in only 3.9 seconds. AMG claims that in comparison to previous inline-six applications, this engine has undergone major modifications. With revised piston rings, updated inlet and outlet channels, and an upgraded turbocharger, the combustion chambers are improved. An electronic auxiliary compressor, which can raise boost pressure to 22 psi and offer an overboost capability for up to 12 seconds at a time, functions in tandem with the turbo. Mercedes rear-biased 4MATIC all-wheel drive technology, which decouples the front axle when not in use, is installed in the CLE53. Standard equipment is the same 9-speed automatic transmission, with a torque converter swapped out for a clutch pack, that is seen in other AMG models. Rear-wheel steering is another feature of the CLE53. It comes standard with 19-inch wheels, although 20-inch ones are available. It's understandable that you would have thought the CLE53's back end looked like the normal CLE class. This is because, other from the larger rear track and the badging, there aren't many cosmetic alterations on the back. The spoiler lip and rear diffuser board shown here, as well as trim pieces for the front and back fascia, are all part of the optional AMG Performance Studio package. The inside has the same 11.9-inch central display and 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster as the base coupe. MB-Tex and microfiber fabric are the standard coverings for the seats, however, Napa leather with AMG crests embossed in the front headrests is an alternative. Standard bucket seats may be replaced with seats that have more prominent bolsters if you opt for the AMG Performance Seat package. The standard steering will get swapped out for an AMG flat-bottom steering wheel with aluminum shift, paddles and Napa leather wrapping. Although the CLE53 is anticipated to arrive on sale sometime in 2024, Mercedes has not yet disclosed the exact date. When it ultimately goes on sale, we anticipate that the price will be somewhere between the sticker costs of the C43 and C63, perhaps approximately $85,000.